Hey Ford owners, before we dive in, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on parts and tools needed for today's fix. So you've got a P0630 code lighting up your check engine light on a 2016 to 2020 Ford F-150. Let's break down what DTC P0630 actually means. DTC stands for Diagnostic Trouble Code, and P0630 specifically translates to VIN Not Programmed or Incompatible ECM/PCM. In simple terms, this code pops up when your truck's computer, the Powertrain Control Module or Engine Control Module, can't find or recognize the correct vehicle identification number or VIN. The VIN is a unique code that identifies your specific vehicle. If the computer can't match the VIN stored in its memory with what it expects, it throws the P0630 code. This can happen if the module was replaced, reprogrammed, or if there's a mismatch after certain modifications. Now, what symptoms might you notice with P0630? The most obvious is the check engine light coming on. You might also see other warning lights like service engine soon. In some cases, your truck could go into limp mode, meaning it limits power to protect itself. You might notice rough idling, hesitation, or even issues starting the vehicle if the computer is really confused. Sometimes you won't feel any difference in how the truck drives, but the warning lights and codes are your clue that something's up with the computer's ability to identify your vehicle correctly. I'm going to walk you through what's actually going on and how you can fix it without pulling your hair out. First off, this isn't a recall. It's what Ford calls a service bulletin, specifically SSM 53495 or NHTSA ID 11015680. That means your dealer knows about it, but Ford won't fix it for free. Here's what usually triggers it. If you've changed your tire size, axle ratio, or used a tool like FORScan to tweak your BCM settings, the computer can get confused. That's when the dreaded P0630 pops up. The official fix? Dealers use Ford's IDS tool to reflash the body control module, putting it back to the factory as-built data. Then they do a PCM relearn. In plain English, restore the original settings, let the truck's brain relearn, and you're good to go. Now, if you're the DIY type and have access to FORScan or IDS, you can try this at home. Reload the as-built data for your BCM and PCM, run a module relearn, and the check engine light should clear. Tons of forum users say this works like a charm. So if you're facing P0630, either ask your dealer about SSM 53495 or give the DIY route a shot if you're confident. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Ford fixes, and comment down below if you've tackled this one yourself. Don't forget to check the description for all the tools and parts you'll need. Catch you next time.